Okay, we're back with the Smith's heater. I said yesterday the fan blades were a little bit difficult to remove from the shaft on the motor. Well, in effect, I just had to apply a little bit more force than I really wanted to without damaging the fan blades, and it does slide off with not too much effort. So there we have that. Now I need to disconnect the motor. These 3 bolts are unscrewed from the other side. These are captive nuts here. And then we've got the resistor there, which is wired in. I'm going to have to desolder the earth wire to the motor. As you can see around here, that goes into the motor to get the motor out. So I'll be doing that in a short while, and then I'll disconnect the resistor, which gives you the 2 speeds that the motor operates at. Right, I've now desoldered the wire leading from the green resistor there to the fan motor. That then has allowed me to remove the motor itself from the housing. I then looked inside the motor through those holes in the top cover, and it looked quite dirty and grubby and dusty in there. So I then decided to undo these 2 bolts holding on the top cover and try to remove it. Now, it was held on quite tightly, and I was a bit reluctant to remove it any further, but I succeeded in the end. You can see there's a brass bearing sitting in that cup, and that is held in quite tightly into the top cover by those tangs. You can see them just there, and you just have to give it a gentle pull, and it eventually comes out of those tangs. There you can see the brushes inside this housing here. They appear to be all right. I'll give it a little bit of a lubrication where needed, and clean it up and put it all back together. Just a short video there just to show the fan motor.